Hi friends, my name is Unicorn Barbie. So happy to see you today. I'm here today with my two special friends. Here's Kiwi, and this is Big Bear. We're here to show you how to make some really cool paper flowers. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. But first, I have to tell you what we need. So we need some very simple things, some very simple tools. The tools that we need is a barbecue stick or a wood stick. You need scissors, tape, a glue, and some post-it sticky notes. Or you can use any paper and cut it into this shape, into small squares. Get a piece of paper. So either a sticky note or a square paper. Start out with folding it like this into a triangular shape. Then fold the triangle again, just like this. And make another fold. So far we're at this shape. Fold it one more last time. Just like that. And now get the scissors or ask for help and cut from this side right here just a bit of the paper, just like that. And then go this way and start cutting your paper into the shape. It's like a half a circle. Now we're ready to open the paper. And here we have our first part of the flower, just like that. And you need to repeat the same thing to make 3 more flowers. This way we're going to make layers to be able to make the shape of the flower. So one more. Again, repeat the same thing. Turn it into a triangle. Then flip it like that. And make another triangle. One more time. Make a smaller triangle just like this. Now I'm going to trim this end. When I trim this end, I'm making a little hole inside the flower, just like this. And now I'm ready to cut about half a circle. Then open it up, and here we go. Cool, isn't it? The next thing we need to do is make 2 more flowers, just like these. So in total, you're gonna have 4. After you make 4, we'll start to cut out the flowers to be able to make them into layers. So I'll cut out one part just like this. So only one is out. Then I'll cut out 2. So looks like this. And then I'll cut 3. So you have this kind of shape. And finally, cut the last one into half. All right, now the next thing we need to do is get the glue, open it up, and start with the biggest piece that you have. Put in some glue. You're gonna put some glue right here. Just like that. And glue it. So this is the kind of shape you should have. Get the next paper and do the same thing. Get another one. Also do the same thing. And one more. All right. Okay, now while these papers are taking some time to be glued together, we're gonna get this half, and I'm gonna add some glue at this end, and I'm gonna put it right here on the stick, just like this, and I'm gonna turn it around. Just like that. All right, now this is the start of our flower. The next thing we need is the smallest piece from the pieces that we did. You take it and then put it right through the stick. Bring it all the way to the top. And actually, before you do that, it would be good to add a little bit of glue right here in the center, just to make sure that they stick together. All right. Just like that. Now, I'll add a little bit more glue here, just on the edges. Get the next piece and put it right through. Cool, right? That's what we have so far. I'll get the next one and also put it right through the stick. Oopsie. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add some glue. That's what we have so far. And we need just the last piece to finish our flower. I'm also adding some extra glue. Get the last piece. Put it right in. Here we go. Look at this. How cool is this? Very pretty, right? The last thing I'll do is get some tape and put it just at the end right here, just to make sure that the pieces of the flowers don't actually come down because they have support under them at the bottom. We already added the glue, but this is just some extra support to make sure the flower stays in place. See? And here we go, our flower is finished. So pretty, right? I made a pink flower. You can be creative and make flowers in any colors you like. You can even make rainbow flowers. You can use several colors, put them together, and be creative with your flower. If you like my flower, be sure to like our channel, subscribe, and share it with everybody to see more upcoming very cool creative crafts and pretend play and really fun things that we can learn together. See you another time.